Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping into your backyard and finding a beautiful fence waiting for you. Climbing roses in pink, purple clematis, yellow honeysuckle cascade gracefully. Soft lighting glows along the fence line. The gentle sense of privacy and charm invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be. Today, we're exploring over 100 farmhouse garden fence ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning retreat. From rustic charm to modern elegance, you'll discover how the right fence can become a living canvas for beauty and serenity. Let's begin this journey into your dream farmhouse fence haven. Farmhouse fences are about transforming boundaries into opportunities. A fence isn't just a barrier, it's a vertical canvas waiting for your creativity. Climbing roses, clematis, and honeysuckle turn ordinary panels into living art. Materials set the tone. White picket brings timeless charm. Natural cedar offers rustic warmth. Sleek black metal provides contemporary sophistication. Each choice creates a different mood, a different feeling as you step into your space. Lighting transforms your fence after dark. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. String lights cast a canopy of stars. Post cap lights guide your steps safely. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the evening. Plantings bring your fence to life. Layered borders in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance. Climbing vines soften boundaries and add height. The right plants make your fence feel like a garden. The beauty of farmhouse fence design is its adaptability. Classic white picket with climbing roses offers romantic charm. Horizontal cedar with minimalist plantings creates contemporary elegance. Budget-friendly solutions with repurposed planters prove luxury is accessible. Each style speaks to different dreams, different lifestyles. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own farmhouse fence retreat. Do you see classic white picket adorned with cascading roses? Or sleek horizontal cedar with minimalist architectural plantings? Would you choose the warmth of natural wood, or does your heart lean toward contemporary black metal? Do you crave the romance of vintage lanterns and climbing vines, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle. Do you have room for deep perennial borders, or do you need creative vertical solutions? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms, or do you prefer plants that thrive with minimal intervention? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you. Imagine stepping into your transformed backyard 1 year from now. The fence has settled beautifully. Climbing plants have filled in. Lights glow softly in the evening. How does it feel to have created this privacy and beauty? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your farmhouse fence vision is waiting to become reality. If these farmhouse fence ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat, regardless of space or budget. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that nurture your well-being and reflect your unique style. Your journey to creating the perfect farmhouse fence starts with a single plant, a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor boundary. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas and join our community of garden enthusiasts who believe in the transformative power of beautiful fences. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of farmhouse fence elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful spaces and notice which details speak to your heart.